Hello there, welcome back again. It's me, the Lover. Today, I'm going to show you how you can convert the WPBakery into Elementor. So, I have this project recently, and they want to convert this WP Bakery editor with Elementor. You know this. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert and design WP Bakery page as Elementor page. Alright, so let's do this. First of all, we just have to view the page to see how the elements are. So here we are, how it looks with the WPBakery editor. Let's do edit with Elementor. So here, click on edit with Elementor. As we are here, you see the WP Bakery codes are appearing on our screen, and that's what we have to fix. Okay, in this video, you will learn completely how you will be able to convert Visual Bakery Builder into Elementor. Let's dive in. On the edit page screen, first of all, let's see the page settings. Here you are, look for the page layout. So we have the layout of property lists. Now make it Elementor full width. The theme my client is using is WP Residence, and it's very great theme. As you can see now, what we have here is we have just a full width Elementor page now. Let's let's see what we have to build. First, we have breadcrumb and then the page title. Okay, in this plus icon here, click on this, choose a Flexbox and choose it's two column, but the this column is a bit is 33 or 25%, and this is 75% of the width. So this is what we have to choose. When you choose this, drag drag the first column below the second, so we have a proper page layout as we have here. Now let's do this, and here you see our on the sidebar we have agent, and then this image, and then this heading. Okay, this would be heading 3 as it is widget heading. Let's add a widget called agent. Okay, we have the featured agent here. We will choose the agent name here. The everything will pop up here. As you can see, the widget is here. Now add another element called heading. Let's save this heading, which we have copied from the display page here. You see here, and then this is the image. Copy the image address. All right, copy the image address, and add another element, image, choose image, paste here, get rid of the path, and our image is here. So now the image is a bit sorry, I just resized the container. What was the width? 33.33. So I didn't have to resize the container but the image here. All right, no problem. Let's do it again and choose this image. Yeah, here we are. Our sidebar is ready, and now we have to make this breadcrumb heading and then the two columns again. Okay, plus this icon in the previous container, you can choose from here as well. You will have to add a breadcrumb. Here we have breadcrumbs, and now we have to add another element called heading, and here this heading is going to be the post title, so we choose the post title here, a dynamic, so we don't have to copy and paste this entire text. Now we have to choose container again, but this time I'll show you how you can make a two column layout with the Flexbox. Okay, choose the container. We have one container here. Now we want to add another container here in this container. Now with the Flexbox, align this horizontal. Okay, let's all right, wait, let me show you what I'm talking about. Add another container inside this, not this. All right, Now add another container. Now we have two containers, but they are aligned in column layout. By default, Flexbox is aligned as column layout. So what we have to do, click on the main container. We have to align, give the flex direction to row. Now you see we have two column layout as we have here. Copy the image URL again, and now add the image here. Sorry about that. Drag this image into the first container and choose the image from gallery, media gallery. Here you see we have the image now. Okay, now what we need is a quotation, below quote, and then the text. Okay, no problem. Add plus on the second container, search for quote. Here we have the quote, and then copy this quote here, paste inside of this, and choose this quotation. Okay, looks like our code is added in the first container. So what we have to do is just come down here, drag this code in the second container which we have here. Okay, now we don't want this tweet button, neither do we need author for this. Now let's style our code. Go to style, choose the code color as, let's say, 6666, and then we need a size of a smaller size, no gap inside this, and then let's give a text size, text style to italic. All right, similar to this. Now copy this. Now after block code, click on this container, add a text field, text editor, and then paste your text here. Okay, you held. I'm sorry about that. Since we copied this text, and the copy paste command is copying the entire CSS as well when we paste inside visual. Okay, you see, these codes are WP Bakery's code. We don't have to paste inside this visual, but in this text area. Doing this, we won't be getting any CSS on pasting our text. So let's do a publish and see how our page looks like now. This is the that's how our page is now. Okay, that's what we have built so far. Okay, this is the previous text from the WP Bakery. Let's get rid of this container here. We have this container from, I'm sorry about this, we have this container here. Okay, how can I drag this? Okay, leave it for now. Let's get rid of this container here. Okay, that's how our page is now. We can copy this text for use. Don't, okay, Control Z. Just copy the text first. All right, this is the text from here, and still this. So we are we have taken the text till this, and this is what we will have to make afterwards. Okay, let's build the entire section first, then we get rid of this container. All right. Okay, we are here with our container. Now on, go to this container, add another container. So we have a new container here. Now what we have here, after image we have this text. All right, go to container, add element for text area. Now we will be able to test here. Okay, now if you see here, we don't have any codes from WP Bakery because we just copied this from previous text editor. Okay, now what we have to do is, what is the, this is the call to action box we have to add now. Okay, meanwhile let me see how it looks like on the live website, how the page is on the live website. Yeah, it is not full width, but inside this container only. What we have to do is add another container after this container. Okay, so we choose this container, add element, add container. So we have the container after this text. Now, what we have here, a heading, what we have to see what we have here, go to inspect elements. This is our first heading 2 and then heading 4, and then we have the button. Okay, no problem, copy this, add element, choose heading and paste here. Okay, copy this, add element again, choose heading, paste here, and change this to heading 4. Okay, now add another element called button, and then we will have to, we haven't styled this element globally, because this call to action, we will have to use this call to action in other pages as well. So I'll show you how we can make global settings for buttons, headings, and other things in another video, because this video is going to be lengthy if I start making global colors for this button. Anyways, now click on this container, go to style, sorry, layout, and then center everything. We have aligned all the items in center. Go to style and have a background color. Here we have the background color, this. Now what we have to do is to give a padding from top to bottom, 30%, 30 pixel on top, 30 pixel on bottom. Okay, color this text to white, and then color this text to white as well. Okay, and then button styles are going to be, you know, white, and content will be this, and there we go. That's how we that's how we have successfully made this, because that's how it looks like on the live website. Okay, one last thing, we have like a radius on this container here. So we have a radius on this container as well. Go to container, go to styles, look for border, and here on the border radius, make it 10. Sorry, like this. From all the corners, it have become rounded. Now what we can do is delete our first container from WPBakery course and see how our page looks like now. Hit publish and then go to view page. Close the inspect elements and see how we have converted this visual bakery into Elementor. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give this video thumbs up and like, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.